Alright, let me break this down for you because this statement is kind of unclear. There's also a lot of you talking about the gas fees, which can be very high, so let me explain how it works. First off, in case you're unaware, you're required to pay a fee anytime you process a transaction on-chain. On the Ethereum network, they're called gas fees. You could think of it as a trading fee you would pay if you buy or sell on an exchange such as Binance or Coinbase. Except these fees aren't determined by the amount you're buying or selling. It's based on how much traffic the network is experiencing. So even if you're trying to buy or sell only like $10 worth of a token, you still might have to pay way more than that in gas fees if the network is very congested and has a lot of traffic. So it's not necessarily Uniswap that's charging the high fees and PancakeSwap charging low fees. It's that Uniswap uses the Ethereum network, which has way more traffic, therefore higher fees. And PancakeSwap is on Binance Smart Chain. Also, not all tokens are going to be available on both chains. For instance, if you go on CoinGecko and look up a token and go to markets, you could see everywhere that it's available. So based on the available pairs, you could tell that this one's available on the Ethereum network, on FTM, and on Avalanche, but it's not available on Binance Smart Chain. And this goes for most of the tokens I invest in that I have to buy on a decentralized exchange. And again, the reason Ethereum's fees are so high is because of how much traffic there is. I've used Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Phantom, and all those fees are a lot cheaper, which is very nice, but they don't always have the token I'm looking for. There used to be this website called gasnow.org that tracked Ethereum's gas fees pretty accurately. And they also had this helpful chart that showed the average gas price throughout the day. Unfortunately, GasNow had to shut down because of China's regulations. However, I noticed the gas prices were always the cheapest very late at night, when the majority of US residents were asleep, and there's less traffic on the network. And it's always the highest during the day, especially when there's large NFT drops. Exchanges like SushiSwap show the average gas price, which is very nice. But here's some alternative websites to GasNow if you want to check the gas prices. The first one is etherscan.io/gas tracker. And another one is blocknative.com/gas-estimator. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. During the day when gas fees are around 90 to 140, I usually have to pay about $25 to $80 for each transaction. So if you're only dealing with a small amount of capital, I would avoid this. The reason I feel comfortable paying for these high fees is because I plan to buy and hold these tokens that I believe is going to go up a lot more than what the fees cost.